What's the deal with this idiom? Don't hold your breath. Let's clear up any confusion about its literal meaning. For example, imagine someone holding their breath waiting for something to happen. But the idiom actually means don't expect it to happen anytime soon. So, what does it actually mean? It means don't expect something to happen anytime soon. For example, if someone says they'll pay you back soon, but you know they never do, you could say, don't hold your breath. To remember the meaning easily, think of someone holding their breath waiting for something that may never happen. It's a way of saying don't count on it. Let me tell you a story using the idiom. I was waiting for a friend to show up for a movie, but they were always late. I said to myself, don't hold your breath, they're never on time. Sure enough, they showed up 30 minutes late. Fun facts about the idiom. 1. It originated in the 1800s in England. 2. It's often used in informal settings. 3. It's similar to the idiom fat chance. Here are 5 example sentences. 1. Don't hold your breath for a promotion, it's a competitive field. 2. Don't hold your breath for the bus, it's always late. 3. Don't hold your breath for the restaurant to open, it's been delayed. 4. Don't hold your breath for the results, they won't be out until next week. 5. Don't hold your breath for the weather to change, it's supposed to rain all day. Original sentence, don't hold your breath for the train, it's always delayed. Rephrased 1, the train is always delayed, don't expect it anytime soon. Rephrased 2, the train is never on time, don't count on it. I once told a friend, don't hold your breath when they were waiting for a job offer. They ended up getting the job, but it took months. The idiom helped them stay realistic and not get too anxious. Similar expressions include fat chance and not in a million years. Opposite expressions include definitely and for sure. Related idioms include wait and see and cross that bridge when you come to it. Quiz time. Which of the following is the correct meaning of don't hold your breath? A. Hold your breath and wait patiently. B. Don't expect something to happen anytime soon. C. Expect something to happen very soon. Answer, B. Don't expect something to happen anytime soon. So, to sum up, don't hold your breath means don't expect something to happen anytime soon. Remember, idioms are important to understand in context and use effectively in real-world settings. And hold your breath waiting for the next video, it's coming soon.